Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I would like to do my IT organization. The name is Corilla Project. The project is so my name is you can and I'm from Galaxy Contracts. Now we'd like to ask, what is Corilla? So simply, Corilla is a platform to making Android application. So in the Android application, you can use Corilla. Then we can
Instead, you don't need to code using your hand like typing, but you just need to code using block code like.
then Corilla is easy because there is a simple yes you need to put the component there and then you just cut using block code. Then it's for good for beginner.
We do with Codeler. So with Codeler, we can make many types of application. The first is music apps like radio online that I make. The
And then we can make application, education. So this not useless application, but there's education in the apps. The next is game apps. So you can make Corilla, like games, Flappy Bird, Pac-Man, and others. And also there is information apps. Like maybe there is news, you can put in our application and updated news in news. Then I would like to tell you what my project name is Radio Online. What is Radio Online? Radio Online
play radio. So just like the name, it can play music and audio that like Muratal, Surah in your phone. These apps also feature to play like the basic radio. You can play the audio and also you can pause the audio and also you can stop the audio. What's different pause and stop? So pause is like you stop but your progress is still in there. But if you stop, the progress is will be reset to 0. So you can setting your radio online by your own. So this
really useful application.
only have one surah. So I would like to tell you about the main component in here. So the first is image. As you can see, if you open Spotify or you open others music or application, there is the image of the audio, and for make it creativity. Then there is a label. Label is a text. So this is label, this is label, this is label, and the label is text just like that. But the name is different. The next is space. So if you didn't have a space, like there is 4 box, it will become same. It become there is no gap in there. So you can make space like this. This is space in here, this is space in here, that this space. So just made space in my application. Next is button. So button is like the name is the button you can play, you can pause, and also you can stop using the button. So there is also the code. So the code in here just about when screen 1 initialized, set player source to Anas. So when the screen is open,
Make the audio is become Anas MP3. The audio
or the name of the extension will start and then show alert like a notification. The name is radio is playing. Next, if the button pause in here, the button pause is click, then player 1 or the music and section will pause, and then this will give a notification about radio is paused. The last one is if button
stop press. So
stop like and pause is same, then but seek the position to 0. So the position of the music before the progress is 20 will reset to 0 again.
like in the beginning. Then show notification, the name is radio stop. Like that. Now we just practice a simulation. We just open in here. This is my
So as you can see, the top of it is the next header. There is the logo, there is logo, there is text, label, name, here image, space, label, this label, then there is a logo again. In below, there is the image of the the music player. So this is like an Al-Quran, and then there is text in here what the music says, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and also there is this translation like this. Nama Allah yang Maha Mengasihi Maha Penyayang. So this is label. The top is this image. This is label, and the below is also label. And also you can, if you don't use space, it will no gap like if in here like this. But if you're in your phone when you do test, it will no gap and become union. Then next one is slider. This
Slider, you can see
of the music. So this can you're setting by yourself. Like maybe you want to setting it become some position become 40, so it will go to the here. So it's based on what you do. So like this, just setting it. Then in the below one is the label, space, and also label. So this is like a progress. So the progress is 2 minutes and 13 seconds, and for total of the music player is 4 minutes 53 seconds. So you can see this is the middle of the music. So the under one there is a play button, then here play button. So like in the code, so when play button start, the music will start and also have notification the music has started. Then the pause button, so you just pause the music, then but the progress is still in there. And then there is a stop button, so the button is about stop and then reset the progress to 0 again. And then this is just a decoration button. The name is shuffle. You can see shuffle. So if in the audio application, other audio application, there is shuffle feature, and then there is also like repeat and shuffle. Now there is space again and also the footer. So the footer there is only the image, space, the label, and also there is the button play and also skip. So as you can see, this is image, this is label, this is vertical arrangement. So why you use a vertical arrangement? Because this is inside the horizontal arrangement. So this is horizontal. How we make it down is using vertical arrangement like that. And also there is a button. This we make material icons, and then the name is pause, and there is like this. That's in the feature. So we just go to the blocks in here, the blocks that I already tell to you. Okay, maybe that's all from me. There are all of my project. There is my IT presentation. So I'm sorry if I have so many mistakes in my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.